Youth is happy because it has the ability to see beauty. Anyone who keeps the ability to see beauty never grows old. It's only because of their stupidity that they are able to be so sure of themselves. Only the moment counts, it determines life. Not everyone can see the truth, but he can be it. Do not waste your time looking for an optical, maybe there is none. One advantage in keeping a diary is that you become aware with reassuring clarity of the change which you consistently suffer. I think we ought to read only the kind of book that wound and stab us. In argument, smiles are like song in love. They describe much, blood prove nothing. I can love only what I can place so high above me that I cannot reach it. Everything you love, you will eventually lose, but in the end, love will return in different form. A first sign of beginning of understand is the wish to die. I have the true feeling of myself only when I am unbearable, unhappy. How who seeks does not find, but he does not seek will be found. God gives the nut, but he does not crack them. I have spent my life resting the desire to end it. There is an infinite amount of hope in the universe, but not for us. Productivity is being able to do things that we are never able to do before. From a certain point onward, there is no longer any turning back. That is the point that must be reached. There are two cardinal sins from which all others spring: impotence and laziness. Start with what is right rather than what is acceptable.